Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to get Streamio on your PC. So let's get right into it. Head over to your web browser. So there you will find this sort of interface in your streamiosindex.com. Streamio is available for the smart TVs with Android 5.0 plus operating system. But if you want to download Streamio on your Android TV, open your Play Store and go to your Android TV device, and search for Streamio. Once you do it, you can also get your Streamio on your Android, and you can also go to their webpage called https://streamio.com. And if you go there, you'll find this sort of interface, and here click on downloads, and there you can just download Streamio for your Windows or Mac OS on Linux, and here goes for your Android TV. And this is how you can just download your Streamio, and make sure you download the right version of your Streamio application from here according to your Android device. And yeah, that's it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.